Top 5 Best Oil for Air Fryer. Best Smarter Picks for Smarter Kitchens. Number 5. Kitchen Craft Pro 200 ml Glass Oil Sprayer. Say goodbye to greasy pans and wasted oil. This 200 ml glass olive oil sprayer delivers a fine, even mist with every pump. Perfect for health-conscious home cooks, air fryer enthusiasts, and barbecue masters, it transforms how you cook. Unlike flimsy plastic spritzes that clog or leak, this sleek, durable glass bottle resists stains and odors, while the precision nozzle ensures controlled coverage, ideal for salads, baking sheets, or grilling veggies. Whether you're drizzling canola oil for crisp fries or olive oil for golden roasted potatoes, you'll use less oil and achieve better results. Cleanup? A breeze, just rinse with warm water. While it's designed for oils, avoid highly viscous liquids like honey or syrups. Elevate your kitchen game with a tool that's as stylish as it is functional. This isn't just a spray bottle, it's your secret weapon for smarter, tastier cooking. Number 4. Norbase Oil Sprayer Bottle, 2-pack refillable mister for kitchen, barbecue, and baking. Say goodbye to soggy salads and oil-drenched pans. This isn't just another spray bottle. The Norbase oil sprayer delivers a fine, even mist that coats your food with precision, using 70% less oil than traditional pouring. Perfect for health-conscious home cooks, air fryer enthusiasts, and grill masters alike, it's your kitchen's new secret weapon. Unlike flimsy plastic misters that clog or leak, Norbase features an upgraded stainless steel nozzle and BPA-free glass body with a handy measurement scale, ideal for salads, baking, or achieving that perfect crisp on roasted veggies. Whether you're drizzling avocado oil over a steak or lightly coating a cake pan, control is effortless. Just pump, aim, and mist. It even works upside down. While it's not designed for thick oils like coconut, its versatility across everyday cooking oils makes it indispensable. Elevate your meals without the guilt or the grease. Number 3. SweetView 16-ounce Glass Olive Oil Sprayer for Cooking and Barbecue. Say goodbye to greasy pans and wasted oil. This isn't just another spray bottle. The SweetView Olive Oil Sprayer delivers a fine, even mist that coats your air fryer basket, salad greens, or barbecue grates with precision. Perfect for health-conscious home cooks, meal preppers, and flavor enthusiasts who demand control without compromise. Unlike flimsy plastic misters that clog or leak, this 16-ounce glass dispenser is built to last, with a sleek black design that looks as good on your countertop as it performs in the kitchen. The adjustable nozzle lets you switch between spray and stream effortlessly, ideal for drizzling over roasted veggies or lightly coating pans. Plus, included labels keep your oils organized. It's not magic, just smart design. While it handles most oils beautifully, very thick or infused varieties may require occasional cleaning to maintain peak performance. Elevate your cooking ritual, one precise spray at a time. Number 2. TrendPlain 16-ounce Glass Olive Oil Sprayer Bottle. This isn't just another oil bottle, it's your kitchen's precision tool. The TrendPlain 16-ounce glass sprayer delivers restaurant-quality control, whether you're misting air fryer trays or dressing a crisp salad. Perfect for health-conscious cooks, grill masters, and anyone tired of greasy pans and uneven pours. Unlike flimsy plastic dispensers or messy drizzle bottles, this 2-in-1 design combines a fine mist spray with a steady stream pour, all in sleek, heat-resistant glass that won't leach chemicals. The ergonomic black pump glides smoothly, giving you exact coverage without waste. You'll love how it elevates everyday cooking, lighter meals, crispier roasted veggies, and perfectly seasoned meats, all with less oil and zero guesswork. Just note, the spray nozzle works best with thinner oils like extra virgin olive or avocado oil. Thicker oils may require occasional cleaning for optimal misting. Upgrade your kitchen game, one precise spray at a time. Number 1. YARRAMATE 16-ounce Oil Sprayer for Cooking, Gray. Precision meets flair in the kitchen with the YARRAMATE 16-ounce Oil Sprayer, your secret weapon for healthier, more flavorful cooking. Perfect for home chefs, air fryer enthusiasts, and grill masters alike, this sleek gray dispenser combines elegance with function. Unlike bulky oil bottles that glug and waste, YARRAMATE's fine mist spray ensures even coating, ideal for salads, searing, or crisping air-fried favorites. Crafted from food-grade materials, it's a dual-action marvel, spray for delicate control or pour for generous coverage. The included custom stickers let you personalize your kitchen toolkit with style. Cleanup? Effortless. Durability? Built to last. While it excels with light oils, thicker varieties like melted butter may require occasional nozzle rinsing. Simple, quick, and totally manageable. Elevate every meal with consistent, waste-free oil application that tastes as good as it looks. This isn't just a gadget, it's a kitchen upgrade. Thanks for watching Best Oil for Air Fryer. See the description for links, details, and the best prices.